Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make this no-bake cheesecake. It is really easy and simple to make and oh so delicious. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, where I teach you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking that you can share with your family and friends. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all new videos. So let's get into today's recipe. And Kim's going to help us out.
First, you're going to need your cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, Eagle brand or any brand you want. You're going to need a graham cracker, a 9-inch graham cracker crust, lemon juice, and some vanilla.
Alrighty.
Take your cream cheese after you've left it at room temperature and it's softened, and you're going to whip it up a little bit. Try to get the lumps out of it. After you get your cream cheese smooth, you want to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, if you can get your bottle open. A 1/3 cup of real lemon juice. You want to mix that again because it's going to make it clumpy again. So you want to try to make sure the clumps get mixed out of it. It's not as smooth as I like it, but let's see if the condensed milk will make it smoother. You just mix it until it's smooth. And then I scrape around the edge of the bowl, make sure it's mixed really well with the mixer, and then I pour it into the pie crust, the graham cracker crust. Chill it for at least an hour. You can put fruit topping on it, or you can eat it plain. My kids love it plain. They don't want any fruit on it. So it's a really good icebox cheesecake. No bake cheesecake. I just put it in an ice box and let it chill for an hour and then serve.
And this is a very easy cake to make. So go and make this cake today. Make something great. This is Chef Fred saying thanks for joining me on this video. Appreciate you watching and spending time with me today. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.